I bet you didn't know there's a fruit that tastes like lemon meringue pie. Say hello to Rollinia. Native to the Amazon rainforest, Rollinia, also known as biriba, grows in humid tropical climates. This spiky, heart-shaped wonder turns bright yellow and soft when ripe, but don't worry about those black nodules. They're totally normal. Crack it open, and you'll find creamy white flesh dotted with large, shiny black seeds. The taste? Think lemon meringue pie meets custard and a hint of tangy pineapple. It's so delicate, you eat it fresh by scooping out the flesh, like a fruit pudding. Packed with vitamin C, fibre and antioxidants, it's a health boost wrapped in a sweet, juicy package. Next time you're somewhere tropical, don't miss out on Rollinia, the dessert fruit of your dreams.